The new ANDIS reSURGE shaver. We've been waiting for this one for a while, so we'll do an unboxing and see what we have. This is a quite a departure in design from so many of the other shavers that we're familiar with. Pretty slick looking. Ooh, opens like a book. That's cool. So we got our Hey Creator message. We got some stickers in there. Stickers are always good. Some notes. There's the actual machine. There we go. It's a little smaller than I expected, but nice and light. This rubber grip is really nice. This is like a semi-soft rubber grip. Here's the lid. It does say to charge for 60 minutes before use, so we will definitely do that before we look into this further, before we turn it on. The little cap's got a little magnet in it, so it's got a magnetic cap, which is nice. This is a wet dry shaver, so you can use it on damp skin. They even suggest you can use it in the shower. I mean, this is for professional use. If you wanted to sell one to your clients, you could let them know that they could use it in the shower. And that means that you can also clean it under a tap. So not too sure how the head pops off here, but just looks like it. Maybe there's some kind of lock. I'll get it. Oh, there we go. You can run it under water to clean it. So just run it under the tap to clean it out. You'll of course need to disinfect it after each client as well. 60-minute run time. It's got a charger included. We'll get into that. We'll charge it up and give you further details on it, but that's the unboxing. And well, before I finish up here, may as well just see what else they have in here. I believe it's only a charger that's left to see in here, but let's take a look. The same. Yeah, just the charger. All right, we'll get it charged up and get back to you when we can turn it on and see how it runs.